friend of mine has just sent me a message on Viber. It's from the Ministry of Internal Affairs in Ukraine. So this has come through on her telephone. I'm going to read it pretty much word for word. I've got ChatGPT to translate it. The Ministry of Internal Affairs in Ukraine has recommended that the population, due to the emergency situation in the energy sector, make a supply of water, food and medicines for 3 to 5 days, plus food and water for pets. Prepare an emergency go bag, documents, warm clothing, first aid kit, heating means, remember it's -8 in Kiev at the moment, and personal hygiene items. Check the technical condition of your vehicle and fill up the fuel tank. Ensure that you have a sufficient amount of cash. Follow official announcements from government authorities. Insulate windows and doors. Polythene up with scotch is better than nothing. Charge communication devices, torches, batteries, and power banks. Find the locations of nearby shelters, points of invincibility, and heating centres. Now, the points of invincibility, that's what they call a punkt, I'm going to get this horribly wrong, punkt neslamnosti. So these are places where you can go and get heat, maybe some basic food, water, mobile charging, that sort of thing. Avoid being outdoors at night and use reflective elements. So high-vis jacket, armband, reflectors, whatever. Hold safety briefings with children and explain basic safety rules. So obviously, if we're in a similar situation, this is the sort of message that we're going to get through on our mobile phones. Go back through this video, listen to what was said, and check, do you have these things? Thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to our next video.